What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today, well, it's a red day to start the week. Check it out. Well, guys, really quickly, as we jump into this red day, it's a red day on PTPI. We're going to go over that chart. We're going to go over the SPY, and then we're going to go over some of the big movers real quick. But one of the things that I want to make you aware of, today's Cyber Monday. Today is the last day to take advantage of $100 off the yearly membership, along with one free one-on-one every 6 months for 2 years. You're not going to get that deal probably anytime soon, I'll tell you that much. That is something we've never even done before. So that's available. Also, another deal that we've never done before, you have the monthly membership available, free month. Okay, your initial month is free. Then it's just $24.99, and you're going to get one free one-on-one with that one. So make sure you take advantage of these Cyber Monday deals. I'm going to leave the links in the comment section below, and I'll leave some in the description section as well. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the charts. All right, guys, as we start to jump into these charts, make sure you do me a quick favor and smash that like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm and the health of the channel. Zero to do with vanity purposes. It's all about the channel. All right, so do me a quick solid, smash that like button and comment in the comment section. Let me know what you traded today. Now let's go ahead and jump into some of these plays. Guys, so let's jump into this recap here on the morning. SPY now trying to break above VWAP finally. SPY has been extremely difficult to trade this morning. I was really looking forward to playing some call options on the SPY, but it never gave me a setup that I could actually get long. So I didn't take any trades on the SPY, and I was really looking forward to trading the SPY. The other stock I was watching for a trade was PTPI, and I hated that it was really the only thing that I was eyeing early on in the morning because it didn't have a fundamental catalyst that I could find anyways. I didn't find any news releases on this thing. Okay, but since the SPY wasn't giving me the setup I wanted and nothing else was moving at the time that looked good, I thought maybe PTPI would be it. You know, PTPI I thought would be it because it had everything that I would normally look for. Okay, here is your daily level. You can see this tough resistance here at $4 area. The 4 to 410, really tough resistance. We squeeze right off the bell and push higher on really nice increasing and big volume here. You know what? Let's change that to this box. Nice big fat volume on that push higher, okay? And we started to get our very first pullback into what? VWAP and a 23.6 Fibonacci level, okay? We started to get that pullback there into that $394 zone, and we begin to hold it. Prior, right here, this candle, the high of this candle is in that 380 zone. The high of this candle here on the daily. So that whole zone there started to hold support. There, held here very nicely, okay? And I went ahead and got long on this candle with a starter position. Once we started to hold very well and get a nice push, volume started to increase again in my favor as we tried to bounce. I added to full size, and then we had our move up here. Now, my first take profit zone was going to be up here in front of the high day. I actually, when we started to get this move, I actually put an order out on the ask at at $4.40. The high day at the time was 440. What was the high day? 445. I put an order out there in front of that level just in case we double topped. We got up here and I actually couldn't quite get through it. So I took a little profit off at 427, and then this thing just got destroyed off that level, came all the way back down here, and I stopped out at 390. Okay, my initial entry 402, top 390 area. And when we got that kind of failed attempt and got slammed back down on that big volume bar, I decided to just cut it loose at that point. Throughout the consolidation, we had decreasing volume, exactly what you want to see. So the volume profile was sound. The only thing here that could have and possibly was what hindered it was that the range was rather large on where that support and resistance was between 390 to 410. And that 410, 415 area really held it up strong. And PTPI got really choppy after that. Really choppy. So no trades for me on it. I believe as long as it can hold above this 450 zone, it has a shot at getting back up here towards probably this 350 zone towards 450. It's possible. But for now, for me, there's nothing there. Now, that's how you manage your risk though. This for me, I knew that it had that potential there to kind of get a little choppy. So I wanted to make sure what I was getting myself into. So I took a starter entry here just in case we had action like this follow up. Okay, you know what? Let's erase all of this. I take my starter in here because I wanted to make sure that level was going to hold soundly in case we got something like that. If we got something like that and I stopped out, it was only a stop out on a starter position. Okay. Once I saw that we started to hold nicely there, and even get this real nice buy up from this quick little flush, I say, okay, this thing is strong. You know, we're getting a nice little increase on the beginning of this bounce. I'll add. So then I added to full size between these two candles, and then I got stopped out. Just simple as that. I got stopped out as we broke beneath support and called it a trade on that one, you know? But that's exactly what you do. Now, my first take was up here. I couldn't quite get there. I took a little piece off here just to protect myself. And then I stopped out the rest down there. But that's risk management, you know? I wasn't sure we were going to hold right out the gate, so I took a starter position. And then I took a little piece of profit off to protect myself. And then as soon as we got back down there on this nasty bearish engulfing candle, I was like, all right, I'm out of this thing before it gets choppy and nasty. And it sure did. That's exactly what happened to it. So that's how I managed risk on this one here. Now, some of the other movers that made large moves, BFRI, crazy move off of this VWAP now. This is just an insane move this thing has made right to Friday's highs. And this one started moving in sympathy to EC. That's how that one started. It started to move right after ISPC made this monstrous move. Now, why did these two move? Because nothing else new was making moves. Nothing else new was making new highs. Nothing else new was gathering volume. Nothing else new was relevant. So traders, that entire herd of day traders was like, you know what? Let's go check on stuff that moved on Friday. ISPC made a move on Friday. BFRI made a move on Friday. We're like, all right, bet these are the ones maybe that'll start moving. And then you started to see shorts covered, longs get in there, chase it higher. Boom, there you go. So these are definitely two stocks to keep on watch the rest of the day. BFRI has been the one that I said I liked better. And there you go. Now we're halted up here. If we gap up above this halt, then you know we should see $10. I would suspect. And we're fast approaching lunchtime. So maybe these make moves during lunchtime and then in the afternoon, they don't set up again. So for now, just sitting on my hands. Tomorrow's a new day. Well, guys, that's it for me today. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, I stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I go live. And I'll catch you on the next one.